Take command of the road in the 2007 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include front bucket seats, delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, speed-sensitive wipers, an outside temperature display, and a split-folding rear seat. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Stop in and take a test drive.